Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Education to solve technical problems. Today we are going to learn how a relay works, working of a relay and its troubleshooting, fault finding or checking a relay if it is faulty or not. There are 8 points in a relay, as you can see, 4 on one side, 4 on the other side. Here you can see number 2 and 7. These 2 points are for coil. 1 and 4 are normally closed. These 2 points are normally closed. 8 and 5, these 2 points are also normally closed. Normally closed contacts are those contacts when the relay is not energized. These contacts will be closed or they will pass the current. This point is normally open with 1. Its number is 3. 1 and 3 are normally open. When the relay is energized, the current from here shifts to this point. Similarly, number 8 point is normally closed with 5, and when relay is energized, it will be closed with number 6. Now we have to check it with the test lamp if this relay is working okay or not. First we have to fit the relay. As you can see, this is the base of the relay. It has a line on it, and the same line is on the base. Here the relay is installed. Now when supply is given to this relay 220 volt, it will make a clicking sound. The first thing to check is if this relay is making clicking sound or not. Here you can see it's not only making a clicking sound, but the contacts are making and breaking. Now we have to test it through test lamp. As the relay is not energized, the closed point should be closed and open point should be open. Here you can see that the closed point is closed. And open point is open. We are connecting this point to its opposite point. These points should be normally closed. Now we have to check for the relay during energized position. For that we have to give it 220 volts. Here I have connected it with 220 volts. After giving 220 volts, the normally closed points are now open and the normally open points are now closed. It means that our relay is working okay. We have to connect here and here. When the relay is energized, these 2 points will be shown closed. So this relay is working okay. Thanks for watching.